was then used as a replacement for a missing income value. Okay, for the missing status entry, I used a formula for the missing status entry. Okay, if F2, 1, 2, ganito ba? Let's check. Anyways, let's check. Then unknown, F2. Hindi pala siya. Double. Oh, paano to? Wait lang ha guys. Parang mali ako dito sa formula ko. Wait lang guys. Nagkamali yung formula. Sakit ay. Saan ako nagkamali? Wait lang. Let's check everything. Unknown. Okay. Ulitin ko guys. Sakit. Yan. Wala. O yan. Okay, may missing dito guys ito. So, unknown na siya. Oo. I will change this the first. Oh, export. Okay. So after completing the data cleaning process, I created a new worksheets and summaries. So I created a new worksheet. Okay. So I created a new worksheet for active and a name it's active so that I will rename it's analytic summary using a pivot tables. here. And finally, I will create a chart, a 3D pie chart. Okay, there we go. Sorry, mahinang signal ko. So that's all for the next ad for this video. So this chart provides a clear overview of the status of the registered businesses. Through the steps, the database data set become cleaner, more accurate, and ready for annual reporting. Thank you for watching.